Many marriages end in divorce because of financial problems. Frequently, this occurs because couples make bad choices before the wedding or soon thereafter. Those bad choices then haunt them and create recurring marital conflicts. Therefore, I offer the following suggestions to help couples develop financial plans to carry them throughout their marriage and into retirement. Number 7, avoid co-signing debts. Do not co-sign a loan for a friend or relative without the consent of your spouse. Co-signing a loan for someone may obligate you to repay the debt if the person you tried to help defaults on the loan. And if money gets tight at home and your spouse is unaware that you signed the note, a serious marital conflict could follow. If a negative payment history is tied to the loan before you take over the note, the derogatory information may also follow you. The derogatory information may appear in your credit file and prevent you and your spouse from being able to purchase a bigger home one day or buy another car if your car breaks down on you. Even if timely payments are made by the person you co-sign with, the added debt may still present a problem when you try to make a major purchase. You could be turned down if you apply for credit and the financial institution believes your name on a new loan may be too risky because your debt ratio is too high.